So they're saying that Jamaica athletes are going to be getting coaching in China in 6 sports. So I honestly don't like talking about this, but my audience really likes when I talk about this and what's going on in Jamaica and all the socio-economic issues that's going on, because I've been talking about stuff like this for a long time, but nobody wasn't paying attention until now. So Jamaica is going to get coached by Chinese coaches for 3 months, and it costs approximately $70 million. So my problem is, why are Jamaicans getting coached? Jamaica getting coaching football and volleyball from China or Chinese coaches. Jamaica couldn't find no coach at them own island to teach those type of sports, because me couldn't tell when last. Me couldn't tell when last China got a World Cup. Please come in the comment section and tell me when last China got a World Cup, or when last China even ranked in a position where they would be considered for a World Cup title. When since China get bad palm volleyball? I would love to know. Please enlighten me in the comment section. And things like gymnastics and badminton. I don't play badminton, and I used to do gymnastics, but I used to do it in the US. So I understand the gymnastics, I understand the badminton, I don't understand the rest. Why are we getting coaches for football? Really? Honestly, I feel like what they're trying to do is slowly but surely they're gonna get all our athletes, because they're gonna buy them out, or they're going to use our athletes as a social experiment. They're gonna see exactly what makes them athletic, how fast them can run, why them run certain way, what do they eat, how are they coached, what they already know, and they're gonna use that to their advantage. China is all about world domination, if you guys don't know, and they're slowly but surely dominating Jamaica and other Caribbean islands, as a matter of fact, because enough other Caribbean islands come on my videos and they talk about the same thing that's happening in Jamaica is the same thing that's happening in their country. But Jamaica just seem like then they sell out a little bit more than any other else country. It's like everything where these Chinese people come up with, Jamaican government is such a big yes man, them agree to it. They don't seem like they have any like logics or thinking toward, like, why you never strike a deal with England, which colonized Jamaica, about football? Why did you strike a deal with England and actually get some good soccer player, got England to play football? Why didn't y'all do that? I feel like this Jamaican government is doing nothing more than stifling our youth, stifling our athletics, because watch when we go to the next Olympics, watch what's going to happen to our country. Our country is not going to place in these games or in these athletic sports that these Chinese people are coaching us on. And if we do place, we're going to place low. And I bet you, make sure you come back on this video, I bet you they come back and win all those games. I bet you the Chinese come win those games or place first, second, or third, or fourth in those categories that they claim they're gonna coach Jamaica on. I bet. Come back on this video 4 years and tell me if what I say isn't going to happen. This is exactly how they use and abuse us, and people sit around and think it's all fun and games and it's all right, they're trying to help Jamaica. No, they're not trying to help Jamaica nothing. No country is just gonna come into your country and build you up and make sure so you at least them top of the line and winning medals and winning championships and and they don't have anything to benefit. Don't ever think there's not an underlying issue and there's not an underlying plan for these athletes that are going to China. And I guarantee you 4 years from now, these same sports that they claim they're training Jamaican athletes on are the same sports we're not going to rank in, we're not going to get any medals in, we're going to drop out in. The same sports they are going to place first, second or third in, and they're going to win championships in. Watch and see. But our Jamaican government and Jamaican people just sit around and relax and act like nothing is going on in their country. And when we talk about it, they have a big issue with it and then come and cuss we out and all these things. But it is what it is. But sit around and watch and see if you people that's living in Jamaica aren't the ones that are going to be working in sweatshops and trying to pay back these Chinese all this money that we owe them for all these lavish roads and highways and lavish coaching experiment or coaching whatever then they do that China is offering. Watch and see if our Jamaican people aren't the ones that are going to have to pay for it in the end. With these people that are in government don't have nothing good for Jamaican people. Them rich and them wealthy and them pension is sure. And them pitney now gonna have to go through what y'all are going through, because them fly out and them have the money in the overseas bank account for back them and back them pitney. So when y'all sit around and let these government officials and these JLP and PNP officials do whatever they want to our country and make whatever deals they want in our country and send it downhill in the gutter, in the gully where they don't thinking pampers, and then you guys won't have any room to talk, because Jamaican people are just to be blamed for what is going on. They need to take full responsibility also, just like our government, because they sit around and they don't say anything. And once you don't say anything, whatever they want to do, they're going to do it. Just like the cockpit country petition that they put up, and they have 15,000 signatures and they had to stop mining in that. That's the same way Jamaican people can create a petition to make sure that the Jamaican government have the best interest of Jamaican people at heart when they're making these deals with China. You can start one petition and tell them, make sure that every deal that you guys do with China, the public are well aware. It's in every newspaper, every TV station in a Jamaica, TVJ, CVM, and it's constantly in rotation on the radio, and hold them accountable for what they're doing in Jamaica. But Jamaican people just lackadaisical and don't know what is going on in them country, because it doesn't directly affect them yet. But once it starts affecting them directly, they will righten up and it will be too late. So me don't have anything else to say about this particular topic. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube.